Warren Buffett's Management Secrets. Number 13. The Secret to Winning an Argument. Warren learned early, the way to win an argument was not to have one in the first place. To win an argument, sometimes you have to lose. Instead of taking issue, it was better to agree with them, and win their trust. In the process, get them to listen to your ideas. He is famous for avoiding conflict and arguments. Well known for listening and respecting others' opinions. This would relax them to listening to Warren's position. The first step to winning an argument is avoiding arguments and accepting others' opinions. This is the secret to getting people to listen to your position. Speak to the other person's wants and needs. Stop thinking of what you want. Think in terms of what they want. When seeking to buy a family business, Warren speaks to owners' pride in the business. Making sure all the loyal employees are well taken care of when the business is sold. This gives Warren a fantastic business, run by a genius at a great price. Why? Because he has addressed their wants and needs. Another business tip from Learn Accounting Fast. Next. The secret to encouraging others to come up with the right idea.